AUDUSD analysis today. Hello friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore. In this video we'll talk about Australian dollar against US dollar. Before we start the video, if you are new to the channel, then make sure you subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, press the bell notification, and below the video you'll find some links. You can join the free Telegram channel and click on this link. If you want some free signals every now and then, check out the brokers in the prop firm here. Sign up with these brokers and start a new account. You can start a demo account to begin with. I want you to have a separate account if you are going to trade with my signals in the Telegram group. Okay, so don't mix it with your existing broker. Sign up with these brokers and only trade in that broker with my signals in the future. Okay, subscribe, like, check out these links. Coming back to the chart, starting with the top-down approach with weekly time frame. This week we are going down. Okay, so last week we were going up. This week, which is almost done today, so this is the last day of this week, and the candle is all red. So there is no point taking a long. When weekly is down, which means align yourself with the weekly time frame or with the weekly pattern. Okay, so in weekly we are going down, which means we should look for shorts only in AUDUSD. And by the way, if you also trade NZD/USD, then use the same analysis. So this analysis for AUDUSD, and you can utilize this to trade NZD/USD as well. Both are same pairs. And I don't record separate videos for NZD/USD, so it works the same way as AUDUSD. You can use the same analysis. Okay, so coming back to daily, in daily, what do we have here? So now we have to keep an eye. Okay, so by the end of this Friday, which is today, if this low is broken, then we will go for the downtrend. Okay, so for now this low is not broken. We have a red candle though, but when the market closes tonight, you have to make sure that whether this low is broken or not. So by the way, I will talk about this maybe on Sunday. I will make a new video on Sunday about this, if it has broken or not. If it is broken, it will continue the downtrend. You have to take a short after the pullback. Okay, after the pullback, not right now, but we'll see how it goes. Let's see if we have any entry signal for today or not. We have to go for 4 hour. We have to go into 4 hour for that. Okay, so we have made a new low. So downtrend, pullback, new low is created. Okay, so what we have to do here is we have to look for shorts after the pullback. Okay, so if the pullback happens in 4 hour, after that you can just go ahead and try to look for this short position in AUDUSD, or if you want, you can avoid trading today as well, because when I'm recording the video, we hardly have like how many 11 hours to go before US market closes. Okay, so if you don't find the opportunity today, you might find it on Monday. The concept is that you use your fib levels from here till here, then let the pullback happen, then let the confirmation candle come, red confirmation candle, and after that you can enter sell. Okay, for now we have to just keep an eye on shorts, because I told you weekly is sell, daily is also sell, and as of today, if you want to take a trade, that should be sell only. Okay, from Monday onwards we might go up. Nobody knows. Okay, because if you come back, your trade should align with weekly. For example, if you trade after Wednesday, if you trade in the last 2-3 days, then come to weekly chart and see where the market has been going this week. If it has been going up like last week, look for longs. If it has going being down like this week, then look for shorts. Okay, so entry should be after the pullback, red candle, and then go down.